Geometry students to class today on this Tuesday the 17th. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're ready to go over some math today. Please work really, really hard in class today. There will be a quiz on Thursday. Please make sure you're ready for that. Tomorrow I will tell you what will be on the quiz on Thursday. Go ahead and turn in your assignment from page 552. Please make sure your name is on it. Please pause right now and make sure your name is on your assignment. Okay? Now, some of you students that are no longer in Mrs. Gallen's room, or excuse me, Miss Chambers' room, Miss Gallen does another class, I apologize, but Miss Chambers' room, you've got to get those things put in my box, okay? Or however you want to do it, but I've got to get those put in my box, okay? So make sure you turn your homework in. Incompletes for track 2, there were a ton of them. I don't know why you guys think that because it's the weekend you don't have to do homework or something, but this is crazy. Here it is. Jaden, Grace, Jabari, Abby, Brandon, Cody, Jordan, Brandon, Anna, Jaron. So those that did do your homework, all 2 of you, I'm kidding, but thank you. But the rest of you, this is due by Friday, or it will become permanent zeros. I emailed all of your parents, unless you contacted me. A couple of you contacted me and told me you had it done, you had forgotten it. That's fine. So I did not email your parents, but the rest of you I did. Here's the website. Teachum.com/geometrytrack2. If you miss a day, go to this website, type in the date that you missed, okay? Make sure when you come back you're totally caught up. We're going to take a day off today from learning new material and review these triangles, okay? I feel like it's really important to do that, plus the simplifying of the radicals is very important. We know how to do this, okay? So we're going to work on review problems today. Now, today, to make sure everyone is up to speed, we're going to do a little review. It's not a waste of class period time. It is important, guys, before we go any further in chapter 10, to make sure that everyone understands what is going on in the first 3 lessons. We must do this, guys. Very important. Now the assignment is page 693, numbers 1 through 24, and that's what you're going to work on the entire class period. Could there be a little dead time at the end? Possibly. I don't like that, but it's very, very important that we take a day and go over this material. Now, please notice numbers 16 through 19 are 45, 45, 90 triangle problems. Numbers 21 through 24 are 30, 60, 90 triangle problems. So make sure you really work on all of these problems. There will be no help video today, but let me tell you what I'm going to do. I'm not being lazy. I'm giving you the answers to the evens. The odds are in the back of the book. Now here's what you need to do. Tonight, before you go to bed, now I know some of you have a late game up in Franklin Rose, but still you might get back at 10 or 11. You can work on your homework on the bus, or of course that's probably not going to happen. I hope it does, but work on your homework on the bus or during the class period. Any of the problems that you can't figure out, then you email me tomorrow night, preferably before 11 o'clock, and I will have that help video up for you guys so you can find the mistakes and the problems you can't figure out. I think it's important for you guys to not always have a help video. Sometimes you become so reliant upon that, you don't have the confidence to work the problems on your own, okay? So I want you to do each one of these problems, 1 through 24. The odds are in the back of the book. Check them as you go along. The evens are right here. So when I'm all done talking, Miss Chambers can pause the video and leave this screen up for the whole class period so you guys can see these answers, okay? Now, remember, if you're missing some problems and you can't figure out what you're doing wrong, just email me tomorrow night and I will have that video ready for you guys tomorrow so that you can find your mistakes on these problems, alright? But that's what we're doing the whole class period. So go and get your books out, go and get to work. It is not a waste of class period time. It is important that we really, really, really have everyone on the same page, okay? Before we go any further, have a great day. Contact me if you have any questions. I will talk to you guys tomorrow.